Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the hosting bank app to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The hosting bank app gives customers a secure and a convenient way to manage their account. It includes features like checking balances, reviewing recent transactions, transferring funds, deposit check through mobile gesture, and paying bills. The app also supports Touch ID and Face ID login, along with debit card management tools that let users set spending limit, enable travel notification, and receive real-time alert. Available on both iOS and Android, it has high rating for reliability and ease of use. However, the app is mostly focused on the core banking features and does not provide advanced tools such as in-depth budgeting, financial analytics, or investment tracking that large bank apps might offer. Some users also mention occasional glitches after update, though these are generally resolved quickly. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you are an hosting bank customer who need a secure and a straightforward mobile banking, but not ideal if you are looking for advanced financial planning or investment features. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.